beef up your grids. Get your, wood-burning stoves if you need them, because eventually you're going to have some winters you will never forget. And that's a cycle, and it's happened before. It's nothing you've done wrong. It's the earth cleansing itself at a time when it needs to cleanse itself. So all of this and the oceans and life and all of the things that we are led to believe, we've got so much proof this is happening now, and I just want to give this to you because it's from October 10th. All right? Is that okay? Is that current enough for you? Now it's global cooling. Return to the Arctic ice cap as it grows 29% in 1 year. You see this? This is CNN, the BBC's prediction of what we were told by scientists that by Arctic summer ice will be free by 2013. No ice at all. Instead, this is what happened in 2012. That's 2013. It's grown by 29%. It's almost as big as it ever was before. It's still growing. This is not global warming. Now, I've been to Europe where they're getting warmer and they're loving the fact that the winters are more milder. It's temporary. I didn't tell them that.
Yeah.
But it is temporary. Peggy Phoenix Dubrow.